点赞订阅，开启小铃铛。欢迎回到德克旅游趣，我是德克。泗水是印尼第二大城，1945到1950年独立革命期间，在这里发生重要战役，因此被称为英雄之城。从日惹搭乘火车前往的路上，可以看到各式各样的清真寺。当你想到伊斯兰教或伊斯兰教徒时，脑海中会浮现出什么样的画面？是和平的祈祷，还是误解的偏见呢？日暮余晖，天空染上暖暖的晨光。我们此刻位于印尼境内规模第2大的阿尔阿克巴尔清真寺，号称花费200亿印尼盾打造，最多可以同时容纳上万人，真的非常惊人。穿上拖鞋，裹上遮腿布，跟随我们的镜头与热情的穆斯林警卫一起踏入这座壮丽的清真寺吧。Muslims, they have to do prayers each day for 5 times, right?
Muslim have a responsibility. We praying 5 times in every single day. First in the dawn, and in the midday, in afternoon, in sunset, and after that in the night.
Okay, so that was the last one for today.
After that we have one praying again, 7 p.m. And actually, we Muslim, like I said, have a responsibility about praying time in 5 times in every single day. Better we praying together in mosque in the same time. But sometimes we busy because like me, I'm working. If some people studying, it's okay. They are praying in home, in office, in school. It's okay. What are your religion?
Our religion, I think, is mixed Taoism and Buddhism.
In Indonesia, we have 6 religion actually. Muslim, the biggest one.
Right.
After that, Christian, Catholic,
right.
Hinduism, Buddhism, and last we have a new religion. It's Confucius.
Oh, Confucius.
Okay. And they are praying in like a red temple.
And I noticed that Muslim people are really friendly to cats.
Yeah.
Because the first country I visited was Tunisia, and they are also a Muslim country in the North Africa.
Tunisia, I know. It's like Indonesia, so many Muslim living in Tunisia.
Right. And I saw lots of cats there. They don't own dogs.
But I think it's different in Indonesia because we have a 6 religion. Some people have a dog.
Okay.
It's sometimes we walking in the street. It's okay. But going to like a mosque, no.
Why is that dogs are not popular in Muslim culture?
Because no pet dog and like eat pork, no. We drink, no. But we live in peace. My neighborhood have a dog. It's okay.
Okay.
This mosque is start building in 1995.
Okay.
And finish in 2000. Now it's 23 years old. I think it's a young building. Actually, near from here, Ampel, it's the oldest mosque in Surabaya. Near a Chinatown. 5 minutes you walking, going to Ampel Mosque. Al Akbar National Mosque have mosque visiting during Ramadan. And finally, in 10 days last Ramadan, many people come to here. And the summit, we have Eid Mubarak. Maybe 100,000 people come to here, to the parking area. We praying together. Usually in Saturday and Sunday, we have wedding ceremony in the 2nd floor. During Ramadan, like I said, 10 days last Ramadan and Eid Mubarak, all of area is simple praying.
Okay. I know there is a day that people will eat lamb to celebrate.
Actually, we have to eat like Eid Mubarak after fasting and Eid Kurban.
Okay.
Kurban means we giving like a lamb and cows.
So this is the direction of Mecca.
Correct. And the center area is place for prayer.
Oh, okay.
In the right side, actually, in the Friday we have a Friday prayer. It must doing by men in the midday. Men must join together praying in mosque. But women, if they want to joining to praying together in mosque, it's possible. But if they want to praying in room, it's okay.
I see the right side is the corner for women, right?
It's separate. In the right side is place for women,
Okay.
and in the center place for men.
Oh.
Because I think not many women come to here to praying together. And you know the little sticker in here is
Yeah.
during COVID-19.
Oh.
During COVID-19 we praying separate.
Okay.
And you know glasses, 5 glass in the top,
Yeah.
circle glass.
Yeah.
It's import from Turkey too. And actually the top of tower, like a sign, moon, and
star.
stars, we import from Turkey.
And I see there are some Arabic characters.
It's taking from a Holy Quran. We have so many Holy Quran in here.
I have one in my house. My Tunisian friend sent one to me.
And he or she,
It's a family.
your family.
No, the local family in
Local
Tunisia.
family in Tunisia.
And I went to pray with them for like 1 or 2 weeks.
You listening? They are
Yeah.
reading a Holy Quran.
Yeah, and I find it very peaceful. Yeah. And before entering the mosque, we have to like wash our hands and our feet.
Like me, like in here, and I think it's special culture in Indonesia. If you want to go in the mosque, we have a little pond to washing your feet.
Oh, it's a pond? Oh, okay.
Like a pond.
So it's not a bathroom, it's just a pond for people to wash there.
But actually we have a toilet too.
This mosque is open for like 24 hours for people to stay here.
Yes, before during COVID-19.
Okay.
But after COVID-19, we have rule we closing in 10 p.m. And you know this is a miniature of Al Akbar National Mosque. Little square in here. This is a fountain area. It's not always operation. Sometimes it's operation. But now it's not.
Okay. This fountain, right? So there will be some water dance.
No. Just fountain, and we have lighting. The function like a bell in church. In the past time, we have no electricity.
Right.
And this is for we giving sign.
Okay.
Praying time come. Yeah. But now it's just decoration.
Right.
So in the past time, the speaker he going to top of tower and calling Muslim to pray.
很幸运能够遇到这么尽责的警卫，陪我们参观了整座清真寺。阿尔阿克巴尔清真寺除了是宗教和婚宴场所，更多游客喜欢来这里登高，远眺泗水的城市风景。离开第2大清真寺后，我们搭车前往警卫推荐的泗水最老清真寺安珀尔。是这个。这里对吗？前往安珀尔清真寺需要途经市集，因为都是当地面孔，突然的紧张感让我不断确认，就怕走错地方。是什么？因为举着手机又是维尔的非当地面孔，路人不断投来关注的眼神。这条街道很像传统市集，贩售各种零食和服饰，价格看起来也蛮亲民。非常传统的伊斯兰教，女性会用头巾将脸包裹起来，更严格的还会只露出眼睛，但我在印尼还没看到过。穿过夜晚的闹街后，就能看到安珀尔清真寺了。这座建于公元15世纪的宗教地标，从外观上看来的确少了许多华丽的装饰。在 在清真寺周围也聚集了摊贩，贩卖小吃给前来祈祷的信徒。大家都穿着长裤或遮裹双脚。很可惜的是，出门前忘记换上长裤，而安珀清真寺也没有提供长布租借服务，所以只能在外头稍作停留，享受短暂深入当地的氛围。进入清真寺前，户外也有个大型洗浴池，提供信徒净身。离开安珀尔清真寺后，我们决定沿着夜晚街道行走。前往唐人街的路上，也能看到硕大的安珀尔立牌。抵达唐人街后，原本以为生意兴隆，结果却意外的冷清。最后，我们找了间附近的便利商店，在里面吹冷气，等 Grab 回饭店。第一眼看，你也觉得眼前是座寺庙吧？那就想错喽。这座泗水清真寺可是印尼第一座以郑和命名的清真寺，2002年建立，外观非常中式，步行上窄小的阶梯。这个由印尼中华伊斯兰教联合发起的项目，将中国和印尼元素相结合，以红、黄、绿为主色，小小的腹地有点像司令台。设计风格也可以窥见佛教和基督教的元素。这座清真寺里还附设了幼儿园、运动场、体育馆、华文补习班和图书馆，场地最大容纳人数大约是200人。不同宗教元素也体现了伊斯兰里相互交流和共同发展的精神理念。泗水不是旅游城市，除了宗教建筑，居住在1910年由美国大亨建造的前东方文华酒店。这间历史悠久且极具殖民色彩的5星饭店，欧式的建筑风格和装潢见证了革命年间青年攀上饭店屋顶撕毁荷兰殖民的国旗，只剩如今印尼国旗的红白两色。虽然英雄已逝，但泗水作为英雄之城，却有处英雄纪念碑，拱门多达10个，分为11个部分，用以纪念1945年11月10日的泗水战役。石柱上的标语：不远处的纪念碑，拔地挺立，高度41.15公尺，直径3.1公尺，向上下颠倒的手指，寓意战争中永不放弃对抗联合势力的精神。纪念碑旁有个11月10日博物馆，里头划分12个小展区，当地许多学生都会前来校外教学。展馆内展示了战争主题相关的作品，借由画作了解时代的背景。这个铜制的雕像刻画了战役里勇敢牺牲性命的青年志士，倒卧在血泊里，争取属于印尼人向往的自由未来。这座位于印尼工业大城泗水的11月10日博物馆，将继续向当地人和游客讲述着难以磨灭的历史。下一站出发，婆罗摩火山。我是德克，我们下次见。